Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to start by taking my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath and put that back. Then what I'm going to do is take my 10-inch wide mesh. I'm going to take the right side of the mesh and just push that down into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to fold the mesh over. And what I'm going to do here, again, is take the right side of my mesh and scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take the center of my mesh and scrunch that in. So that's going to be the base of my door bow. And this could be a door bow or a really cool Halloween decoration. Then I have our Morex. It's our black 2.5-inch wide jute ribbon. And what I love about this is it's wired. So I'm just going to fold it in half, find the center, and this is just going to be a really long tail. I'm going to lay that in. And then what I'm going to do is take my orange tail, which is the same length, find the center, and just scrunch that down in here. Then I'm going to take my black ribbon, and I'm going to take the right side. And what I love about this is that it is a wired mesh. And then come back here, take the right side, scrunch that in, then just take my center, and I'm just making a little mountain and scrunch that down in. That just helps shape it. Then I'll take my orange jute, take the right, it's kind of like a burlap, but a wired burlap, and fold this back over. And we have all of the links to the materials to the Bowdabra.com website where you can purchase everything. And then what I'm going to do is take this really fun Morex curling ribbon that I've already cut, and I'm just going to you can see I'm just using my Bowdabra, my mini Bowdabra to hold it. So now I'm just going to lay this down in here, and I don't know what happened to my Bowdabra wand, but I'm going to just take the mini wand and use that and scrunch everything in. Then I'm going to just grab my Bowdabra bow wire and bring it over here. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I can't tell where my curling ribbon is so curly that it's kind of like in my way here. So I'm just going to pull that up really tight, pull it out of the Bowdabra. And I love how the curling ribbon kind of looks like little spiders. Bring it around, separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot and double knot it. And then you have this great Halloween door bow or Halloween decoration. How super simple and how beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.